What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I am in the truck. I have my good boy Kevin with me. You guys can see him over there at the window. I've got Jace, Ghosted TRD, behind me. We are headed to go camp at Mount Herman.
What did you think about the
We've got Jace talking to me on the radio. Sorry, Jace, gonna ignore you for now. We got Ben Mingle, Alex, owner of Case Study Builds Diesel Heaters, meeting us there, bringing me my diesel heater, which I'm stoked to have again. And then Mr. Cannon Counts is getting his truck finished up at True Automotive, and will meet us at camp as well. So we're gonna go try and secure the camp spot that we really want, hoping no one's there. If not, we've got two other top options that we kind of know in the area. We go out there quite a bit, so we know some good spots. But we're gonna go get some gas down in near the Springs Monument area, and then we're also gonna get some drinks for later tonight. It's supposed to get down to like 18 to 25 degrees, I believe. So I'll be happy to have that diesel heater. All I brought with me, I put all my faith in Alex. All I brought with me today was an aeronaut blanket and Kevin. So we'll see how this goes. Let's go. All right, so this might not look like my usual content or quality. I don't even know if the audio sounds good, to be honest with you. We're gonna find out together here. I'm trying this on a GoPro Hero 11 Black with the DJI mics wired in with like a $5 cord. If the audio doesn't sound good with this cheap short little cord, I need something shorter. But I'm just gonna try it, and if it's terrible, whatever, I'll fix it later on with new equipment. But just a lot easier to carry around a GoPro than it is a big old camera. So yeah, we're still driving to camp. I'm gonna get gas still and get some drinks and head to Herman. We found some hard packed crappy snow, and my truck is too wide for the track that's already here, so it's a lot of fun. See more snow we have at camp, I guess. Well, I guess we'll see what camp looks like. There might be a good bit of snow there, but hopefully it'll be like hard packed. I don't know, maybe not, because I didn't air down. Hopefully it'll just be a nice, beautiful meadow that's dried up and perfect for camping. We'll see. We shall see. If it's this crappy snow, this crappy snow but deep, we're probably gonna get stuck. We'll see. Well, let's go find out, I guess, because this is just a sheet of ice up here. Look at this. This is so compact and just slick. Well, we're at camp spot number 1. Kevin's loving it. That's a snow for the boy. So I'm on 37s, and I kind of went through to test out the snow. You guys can see it here, all the way around and back out. Now, granted, I'm aired all the way up to 35 PSI. We got Jace over here in the 4th gen on 35s. Yeah, he's not doing so hot. This must be that Nitto life, huh?
You usually do pretty good in snow.
I mean, I went straight through, no locker, no nothing. You're high centered, bud. You're just making ice under there. Yeah. All right, well, I guess I'll come back through and I'll get you out. How's the snow here, Kevin? Top notch? Is it good snow? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. All right, let's get this 4th gen out. All right, we have Yank soft shackle, Yank kinetic rope. to his front bumper with a D-ring. So we'll give him a tug out. All right, he is out. Now we're gonna go back up to the entrance of this little spot, get turned around again. Come on, grip. There we go. And then we're gonna start setting up camp, waiting on Cannon, Alex, and Ben. Oh, come on, don't get eaten by the ditch. Oh no, I might be stuck. Let's see. Give her the old beans. Oh boy. Hold on, I gotta get unstuck here. Come on, baby. There we go, and we're out. God dang, the snow is very unforgiving. Very, very, very unforgiving. Let's see if Jace gets stuck again. Alrighty, as you guys can see, FSR tent is all set up behind me. Got my Devos Light Ranger outside the tent. I'll put another one probably over here somewhere for camp. Kevin is having a absolute freaking blast. Jace is all set up. We got Cannon and Ben and Alex on their way. I think Ben and Cannon should be here first. They'll probably be here in the next half hour to 45 minutes, depending on how fast they get up the trail. But good little spot. Very, very snowy. Nobody's been over here. This is all us. Those tracks are all us. So we're gonna build fire in the middle. We'll probably have another truck back there and probably another truck up front in front of mine. And then build a fire in the center. Should be a good night. But now that I got my tent all set up, Kevin has eaten his dinner. Kevin, come here. Hey, come. Kevin. Where you going, guy? Stupid idiot. Kevin, hey, come here. And shake the treats and good boy, yes. I think I'm gonna make him sleep in the truck. I'm not gonna hoist him up into the tent, but we'll see. I might be drunk enough to just be like, oh, I'll put you in the tent. All right, we're gonna start setting up our fire pit, chairs, and then I think Ben is bringing dinner, so we'll just hurry up and wait. All right, so as you guys can see, it's getting dark. Devos 1, excuse me, with motion sensor. Devos number 2 for the fire. Fire's going in the Devos fire pit here, and Kevin doesn't want anything to do with fire. He wants to just lay in the snow. Mountain dog things. So we're basically set up, just waiting for these guys to get here and set up, and then we'll start eating, hopefully, because I'm hungry. All right, I'm gonna get some music going. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, speak of the devils themselves. You see those yellow lights off in the distance? That looks like Mr. Cannon counts. And Mr. Ben Minglis behind him. Time to get stuck. Time to eat. Nah, I've already made him all sorts of tracks. Dang, they here. Let's eat. I'm starving. Whew. They're not gonna get stuck.
Yeah, they sit a lot higher than me.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to your stuck track. Dang, Jace, look, that's what it's like to go over there and not get stuck.
Oh, yeah?
Get him, kid.
Hey, buddy. Hey, Ben. What are you doing, man?
Yeah.
What are you doing, man?
Kevin, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Check it out. Ben has made us some jalapeno and cream cheeseburgers and some bacon cheddar burgers. I'm having the bacon cheddar for sure. They're heating up the buns, get them a little toasty. Throw some tomatoes on there, some cheese on there. It's about to be eating good. Here's the boys talking to shit.
I got long hair, I got a pocket full of stones.
Wanna play on my phone?
I talk plenty shit.
Motherfucker, I'm grown.
And everybody in my clique got chrome on they shit.
All right, guys, it is 3:20 in the morning, so you probably hear my my diesel heater heating up the tent. I got Kevin sitting or sleeping in the cab of the truck with a goose gear sheet. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. I got this case study diesel heater. It's a dream in here. I'm probably gonna end up taking off this hoodie, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning for breakfast. All right, as you guys can see, I am packed up and it is ice out here. Got my good boy Kevin. He's just chomping on ice, doing what mountain dogs do. Woke up at about 7:30 to check to check on this guy. It's the first time he slept in the cab of the truck, so I wanted to make sure he got out and went to the bathroom. You might be able to hear it's pretty windy, but I'm all packed up, like I said. Jace has just got to close up his tent, I believe. Cannon's got to pack up. These two are still snoozing. But that diesel heater, I'm telling you guys, aeronaut blanket, diesel heater, sleep in your underwear, and that's about it. It's the way to go. It is the way to go. When I was packing up this morning, I literally cranked the diesel heater on high while I was taking everything out of the tent with the front door of the tent open, wind is just gusting in, and I was just laying there super hot. What are you doing, guy? Kevin, sit. Kevin, sit. He's special. He still gets a treat. All right, I think we're gonna wait for Ben and Freddie to wake up and then make breakfast. I'm tired. We can go to bed till 3:30, 4. So, yeah, let's go eat.
I felt like the wind was coming in this way.
Yeah, it was.
And lifting it up. Or trying to lift it up.
All right, everyone. We had some cinnamon rolls for breakfast, and then I had some beef jerky. Not our usual camping breakfast, but that's all right. Kevin did so well on this trip. Stayed by me all night, all morning. He also slept in the truck for the first time, in the cab of the truck, so now I know that he is fine to do that. Bruce does not want to do that. He'd be too overly active and stimulated, looking for me, and he just wouldn't sleep. But it's nice to know I can take Kevin and just throw him in the cab of the truck and he'll just sleep, so that's nice. But we're gonna head down the trail. I'm gonna go home to my wife and kid and see Bruce because he's one of my best friends. But if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.